Sup guys, welcome to my Trynectar AI tutorial. In this Nectar AI walkthrough, I quickly want to go over some of the things you can do on Nectar AI so you know how to navigate the app. So yeah, let's get right to it. We're gonna start with how to create characters, but we'll also be covering how to use the image generator, how to roleplay, and how to get support. So I know what you're thinking, isn't creating characters as simple as pushing a few buttons? Yes, it is, but also no, it isn't. First of all, it's a bit of a hidden feature, so you won't find it anywhere on the homepage actually. So what you'll need to do to create your own AI girlfriend on Nectar AI is you'll need to use the sidebar on the left, go to roleplay or click on roleplay from the homepage, and then you'll see this big button and it says create girlfriend for free. So we're gonna click on that, and then we're in the character customization screen. So you got two flavors here. You can either go through the normal menu or you can use the photo reference feature, which I will cover later. So we're gonna go for standard, and here you'll have the standard customization. They got some pretty awesome options. They got a lot more anime options, so definitely great. And yeah, it's pretty straightforward. You just need to hop through all the options they have until you get a screen that looks like this. This is the only thing that Nectar AI does differently than most AI girlfriend apps, is they have a prompting field and you need to prompt your own personality of your AI girlfriend. So this is great because it gives you a lot more customization options than just being limited to a few pre-defined buttons. Name is pretty straightforward. You can just type in a name. For personality, what you don't want to do is you don't want to type in something like nice, likes, stuff, fun to talk to, because that's just too generic and you're gonna end up with an AI girlfriend that sounds like C-3PO from Star Wars. So we don't want that, right? So you gotta be a little bit more descriptive. I would say something like kind-hearted, adventurous, loves hiking and cooking, enjoys reading mystery novels, and has a witty sense of humor. If English is not your first language, then I recommend using something like ChatGPT. And then moving on to the physical traits, you can just type in like words you want, tattoo on arm, and that's good. It's pretty easy. So after that you can hit complete, and there we go. So you can re-roll the appearance if you're not satisfied with your result. There's even a way you can get way more detailed AI girlfriends. That will be the second option, which is the photo reference. Nectar AI allows you to create an AI girlfriend based on a picture that already exists. So this is great. They made it in such a way that you can only upload photos that you created in Nectar AI. You couldn't just download someone's Instagram picture and upload it and create an AI girlfriend of that. So that's definitely great. What you can do, you can go either to the image generator and create a image, which I will cover later. Or if you already created one, you can click on choose image, go to gallery, pick an image. So the only prerequisite is that it needs to be a very clear image where the face is visible. So this one, for example. And then I'm just gonna go through the menu again. Oh my God, I'm surprised how accurate this is. Even the tattoo, it's very detailed. Moving on to the next part of this Nectar AI tutorial, and that's how to create images. When you first look at the screen, it might look very overwhelming, but take it from me, it's very easy once you figured it out. So the first thing you gotta do is select your model. A model is basically the big guideline of your image. For example, hentai, which is used for anime and adult anime. You got realistic 2.5D, which is a mix of realistic and anime. Then you got girlfriend, which is AI image generator based on Nectar AI's girlfriend collection. And then you got three ultimate models. So the ultimate models are basically the regular ones, but on steroids, except for the Asian one, which is specifically meant to create Asian looking characters. So yeah, these are slightly more better than the regular ones, but you'll need to subscribe to their ultimate plan, which is I believe $40 a month or something. So yeah, that's something to keep in mind. I'm gonna select the 2.5D model. That's my favorite. The next thing you gotta do is enter a prompt. So they got some nice suggestions here. You can generate new IDs. What I like to do is use my NSFW prompt generator. So this is a free NSFW prompt generator tool I created. I'll leave the link in the description. It will be the second link. What you can do, you can simply select what kind of prompt you want. You can hit generate and the AI will come up with a prompt. So you click on it, it's copied. Go to use, go to Nectar AI, and I'm just gonna copy the prompt. Now you got a good base. I wouldn't take this as for what it is, but this is just good and try to work from it from here. A couple of things you should know. First of all, you separate each section of your prompt with a comma. And second of all, you can use brackets to put emphasis on specific parts of your prompt. So for example, it says pink lip gloss and then with brackets. What you can also do is put something like 1.2. So this will even make the pink lip gloss more stand out, then I wouldn't use the 1.2. Next up, we got the ICKS. So this is what you dislike. You just put the same stuff as in the prompt here, but what you absolutely don't want to see. What I recommend doing is generating a picture first, and then if you see something you don't like, then you put it in here and then you generate again. It's twice the amount of pixels you can generate. I believe this is only available for Pro plan users. I'm an Ultimate, so I'm gonna select that. Next up, you're gonna pick the dimension. Again, this is also only available for Ultimate users or Pro plan, I don't know. And then the last part will be the customizations. So this is great. This can give more direction to your image. So if you click on see all, then you'll see that there are a ton of customization options. You can pick from different phases, from your favorite video game character or anime or whatever, or you can go for an outfit, a pose, and even effects like camera angles, lightning, that kind of stuff. So yeah, I'm just gonna go for Cynthia, Pokemon. Okay, try that one and hit generate. And here we go. So yeah, it's a great picture. If you click on it, you can either download it, share it, or you can like it. And this is very important because you need to like your picture in order to save it. If you don't like it, it will be gone forever. So be sure to like your picture if you want to save it. So next up in this how to use Nectar AI tutorial, I'm gonna talk about how to roleplay. This is pretty straightforward. You go to the navigation on the left, select roleplay, and here you'll find a giant hub of all kinds of cool scenarios. So you got the official, which are the ones that are created by Nectar AI, which are very good. But you also got the community fantasies, and these are created by users, and they got a couple hundred of them, and they're very awesome. So definitely check them out. For this example, I'm just gonna select the first one. So you get a quick overview. You can either create your own fantasy or you can start the chat. So yeah, let's just try that. First thing you'll notice is that some characters will give you an opening messages and others don't. So you will need to initiate the conversation. There's always a short story behind it. So for example, Jennifer knocks on Anna's door sharply, demanding her rent payment. And then she says, "Open up, I know you're home." This is the introduction of your fantasy. And what you can do, you can either just start talking. You can say something like, "Hey, I am not home." And what you'll notice is that she will use like italics to give more context to the conversation. So you can do the same by using this symbol. I think it's called asterisk or something like that. So the first thing you'll notice is that she actually starts talking for me. And I'm standing before her, "Oh, hi, Jennifer. I wasn't expecting you today." So the AI is now talking for me. And this is a common bug, or not a bug, just like a flaw that most AI roleplay chatbots have. Simply hit this and that will regenerate the response. That's better. Now she's not talking for me. So yeah, you can either do that or you can hit pencil here and then you can edit your own message. You can only do this one message back. So if you want to change something, be sure to do it because you won't get a second chance. So one thing you can do to enhance your experience is you can use time skips, like you use an asterisk sign and then you say, "The next day passes, you come to my house again." And this is great for moving the conversation forward. And similar to this, you can also use sentences like, "I want nothing, I say confident," just to give more context to the conversation. Another thing you can do is you can ask for in-chat images. So simply hit this sign and then you can say, "Send me a photo," and then you'll get a nude. You have two more options. You can also click on generate photos, which will get you to the image generator I just showed you, or send me a photo of. This is great because you can give a little bit more context to the photo you want to generate. So Nectar AI often has payment issues because of the industry they're in. It has nothing to do with Nectar AI itself. It's just this niche. It's kind of hard for some people to pay for it. So if you ever run into trouble or you have other trouble like technical issues or anything, don't hesitate to contact them. They're very helpful. I have a very good relationship with them and they're always very open and collaborative. The first thing you can do is join their Discord channel. They have a dedicated support channel here. And if it's a question you're comfortable sharing with other members, then just post it here and you'll be surprised about how fast you'll get a response. The second option is that you DM Nectar AI privately. So you'll be looking for this character and you just send them a private DM with your issue. The third option you have is that you email them and you'll send an email with your issue to trynectar.ai@gmail.com. Again, they're very helpful. So if you ever run into trouble and you need to get support, this is how you get support from Nectar AI. So that was my full Nectar AI tutorial. If this tutorial was any helpful to you, then please hit the like button. You don't want to know how much it helps me with the algorithm and to create more videos like this. If you have any question, then please leave a comment and then I'll reply to you.